Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by owning the digital identity. Sign into a dedicated Google account under the artist name and verify your official website and social channels. Once done, make sure your site uses schema. Org musicians/album markup so Google reads facts reliably. You should also centralize releases and bios on one authoritative domain and upload consistent images and release dates. Do these steps now. They establish the signals Google uses to consider a knowledge panel. Now focus on external authority. Create or improve entries on MusicBrainz and Wikipedia, and claim profiles on streaming services and AllMusic so databases converge. Once established, make sure your artist name is consistent. Use exact punctuation and canonical URLs, because Google matches entities by repetition. Also, pursue press, label pages, and credits that link back to your official site. These trusted citations increase prominence and help Google construct a knowledge panel for you. When a panel appears, click Claim this knowledge panel and verify ownership with the Google account tied to your official site. Upload high-quality photos and supply links to authoritative pages. If no panel appears, keep adding reliable citations, fix data on MusicBrainz/Wikipedia, and ensure schema markup is correct. Google needs time to reindex. If incorrect info persists, use the panel's feedback link to suggest changes. Persistence and consistent authoritative signals usually solve problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.